Hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with a new video, and you're welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you Descendant X official custom ROM, which is available for most of the devices right now, and you can install this build on any device if you have an unlocked bootloader and custom recovery installed. So what are the main things you get in Descendant X custom ROM? First of all, the official look has this kind of unique UI, as you can see, as a notification panel or quick settings panel, which looks very good with this little button here. Actually, this is the latest build, which is based on Android 10, and you get the security patch of 5th of May 2020, which is the latest security patch. Alongside with that, you got the Google Play system update of 10 and kernel according to your device. For Redmi Note 8, this is officially available. For Redmi Note 4, it's officially available. Redmi Note 7 and for so other devices also, this is officially available. And if in case this ROM is officially not available for your device, you can still install GSI image for this ROM on your device very easily. Everything else in this video I'll try to show you, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, as always, I will start with the home screen. First of all, you get by default launcher. Here is the launcher. This is based on Pixel launcher and has a lot of customization options. As you can see, theme, desktop, home widget, dock, app drawer, etc. These kind of things you get here. One of the things, let me show you in styles and wallpapers. That by default wallpaper which you get here is this one, which doesn't look that much good. That's why I just changed it. But there are Pixel Live wallpapers available. Unfortunately, not working. Let me show you. Here it is, Pixel wallpapers 19 keep stopping. This is a bug which you get here, but I don't think so this is a major bug. You can survive without that. So this is a bug which I just want to show you. This is a bug you get here in Descendant X official ROM. Not a big thing. Let me show you some other things. This is a notification panel or a quick settings panel, whichever you want to say. It is something unique. You don't get this type of notification panel in any custom ROM till now. You get little bit settings icon here, missed call notifications, ringer status, alarms and event schedule. A little button here. When you click here, you get all your quick settings here, like Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and out of brightness, flight mode and all other kind of things, alongside with this brightness slider, which looks very cool. So these kind of things you get here, but there is an option available in settings where you can change this look to whichever you like. So let me show you in settings, but first of all let me show you the camera. By default camera which you get here is the normal Snapdragon camera as expected, which looks very good, and you can use Gcam. But for Redmi Note 8, unfortunately, Gcam with HDR plus is not working. You have to disable HDR to work properly, and it's working perfectly. Your front cam, your back cam, everything looks good. But if you're using this on any other device, then HDR might be probably work for you. I am not sure about that. If we talk about the default browser, which you get here is the Kiwi browser. The Kiwi browser is actually based on Chrome, and alongside with this little bit of new thing like extensions. You can use extensions of Chrome in a Kiwi browser on Android. If you don't know how to use Kiwi browser, and if you don't know what is Kiwi browser, there is an already article written on Google. You can just check out right now. If we talk about some other things, another big bug which I get in my Redmi Note is this recording button. Actually, you cannot record your device screen with this, so it's better to not to use this app, because whenever you open this, your device might get restart or might cause a boot loop to you. So it's better not to use inbuilt screen recorder. Let's show you some features which you get in Descendant X custom ROM. First of all, these kind of look you get in a settings app. You don't get extended menu, or you don't get any extra menu for all the customization options. It has not a lot of customization options, but very unique one and very useful one available, like in network and internet. You don't get any option in connected devices. You don't get any extra options available. But when you go to battery section, you have some extra features. Like you have the battery manager, you have the Descendant idle manager, which is one of the very good thing. Descendant's algorithm to ensure efficiency, that's by default on, but if you don't like it, you can turn off it very easily. If you go to display, you have some options of brightness, where you have the adaptive brightness and brightness level option. You have the option of wallpapers and lock screen options available, and also this one is a thumb UI, which is actually the Samsung UI. When you click this, you can see your device will look like a Samsung look. That's a very good thing. You can use your device with one hand if you have a big device like me. So this is the main thing which you can enable from settings, but if you don't like it, you can disable it. This one is enable quick settings panel only. These both things you cannot use at the same time. If you use thumb UI, your quick settings will not look like this. Okay, sorry, or both of the things. Thumb UI alongside with that you cannot use. If you use quick settings panel, you cannot use thumb UI like this, but just disable this and it will be looked like this. First of all, this is the by default quick settings panel which you get here. If you expand it, you will see these kind of quick setting tiles here, and when you click here, you have a lot of extra tiles available, these kind of, but you cannot add or remove these kind of tiles. Only 3 tiles are available, and when you click here, you can set up new columns and columns, landscape, etc. these things. Some extra options like as expected dark theme available, headline body font. There are a lot of extra fonts options available too, whichever you like, you can choose that one. Icon shape, styles app, a lot of things are available. By default, only one app is available, one style is available. You can create your own custom styles if you want to, but I just don't want. You have also display settings like screen timeout, rotation, font, and here is the new feature, notch behavior. This is available for Redmi Note 8 because it has a notch, but if your device does not have notch, then this option is not helpful for you. I have chosen the option of hidden and it looks very good, very comfortable. In sound and vibration, some options like other sound and vibration, screen lock sound, etc. Some extra options like volume rocker controls and volume interface extra and audio handling. These 3 options you get in display set. In sound options, storage, privacy, location, everything is same. In security, you get face lock option is available. As you can see, face unlock is added. That looks very cool. Also your Google Play Protect are also working. Find my device, Google Play system update. So over and all, it's very comfortable and good ROM for you. No extra features here. And when you click on gestures, this one I personally like, full screen gestures by hiding the navigation bar pill. That's a very good thing, and when it is helpful for you like this, you don't get any extra space here. If you hide the navigation bar pill, that's a very good thing. So these were all kind of features which I just wanted to show you in Descendant X ROM. If you want to try this build, what you can do is you can directly download this build, and the link for this build is already in the description. This is a power menu which also looks very unique. So just boot into custom recovery once. It's recommended to boot into your best custom recovery, in which you can boot almost all devices, all custom ROMs. In my Redmi Note 8, I'm using Orange Fox custom recovery, which is helpful for me to boot all the custom ROMs. If you're using any other device, process is almost same. First of all, in recovery mode, decrypt your data once if you are encrypted like me. So just let me do this and let me come back to you. As you can see, data is successfully decrypted. Yes, now here what we have to do is we have to download this file. If you have downloaded, just go to wipe Dalvik cache system vendor data. All these files we have to swipe to wipe once. Just wait for it to fully do. As you can see, everything is done, and now we have to install this Descendant X official below 6 of May 2020 with May security patch. This is available for Redmi Note 8, and if it is not available for you with the May security patch, this will surely be available with the April security patch. And if in case it's not available for you as an official build, Then you can install a GSI. The compatible GSI is already available on their website. You can try out that GSI. And also I already made a video on the Descendant X GSI review. If you have not watched that, you can try out, and I will drop a link in the description where you can just go and check it out. As you can see, it is installing. If it is showing you Willow, like I am using Redmi Note 8 and Willow actually Redmi Note 8T, so it means this is a unified build which you can install both of the devices. So this step you can follow, everyone can follow this step, because Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8T both can install this build as a Willow code name. Patching system image unconditionally, almost done, and after that vendor image will patch, and after that you can simply reboot system. If it's not rebooting, you can try to format data, and everything is done, nothing else. So I think this is all okay. Just wait for it to properly boot, like patching vendor email. Let me show you the installation, because sometimes you say that I just don't want to show you and I exit the video whenever installation is not finished. Let me show you the full installation with success message. As you can see, everything is done. Google apps are pre-installed. You don't have to install as a separate package. Everything is done. We can try to reboot system, and if it is not rebooting, you can try to format data, and then you are done. You will see boot animation of Descendant X ROM. Let me show you. First of all, it will show you boot logo, and after that it will show you the Descendant X boot animation. Here it is. So this is how you can install Descendant X GSI. This was all from today's review. I hope you like it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you very soon.